Oh, I don't know if we're gonna do this one. Hey guys, Justin here, Street Stand Civic Garage. We are raffling off rides in our new Enduro car for May 1st, guys. So what we got here is $5 a seat, or $10 a seat for the front seat per ticket, and you get 5 for 40. It's $5 a seat for the back. We're raffling off 2 seats for the back, and you get 5 for 20 in the back. So we will be racing on May 1st, 100 lap enduro. Only thing you guys need to supply is a helmet and eye protection, and you will have to sign a waiver to get in the car with me. Other than that, all fees, everything are paid. I'm paying all your fees going into the track, everything like that. So all you do is have to purchase a ticket, and you guys can come have fun with us for a 100 lap enduro. So please, if you guys need any tickets, hit us up on Facebook, Street Stand Civic Garage, or hit us up on YouTube. We can meet up somewhere. I can sell you tickets. And we are going to be up in town here in Felicity this weekend. We're going to set the car out and sell some raffle tickets for it. So please do catch us there. We're going to show it on Facebook Live, wherever I'm at. We're going to try to choose another couple towns before the race. That way we can get more people involved. So if you guys want to take a ride in a dirt track car for 100 laps, so please buy your tickets, and hope you guys win, and hope to see you guys there. So please stay tuned, and make sure you guys stay tuned on the channel. We will be announcing the 3 winners off on the channel and on Facebook Live, so please stay tuned for that, guys. Thanks.